Welcome to today's class on class number 7. Basically, we're just going to talk briefly about some tips to finding the exponents for the exponential function in a word problem. Remember, the exponent depends on time because the exponent stands for the number of times that the growth or decay occurs. So remember, depending upon what the growth or decay occurs in, if it occurs in days or weeks, the growth or decay rate. If it's a shorter period of time, you're going to multiply, meaning if it's a shorter period of time than the t. If it's a longer period of time, then you're going to divide. So for example, here it says every 3 weeks, right? And then it says let t equal the number of years. Every 3 weeks is the growth or decay rate. This is shorter period of time than the t. So you compare the growth rate to the t. So since it's a shorter period of time, we're going to multiply. So then you have to figure out, well, how many weeks are in a year? There are 52 weeks in a year, so it'd be 52t. However, it only happens every 3 weeks, so you have to divide by 3. So that would be your exponent for the function. If I said let t equal the number of days, and then it said every 3 weeks, now this is a longer period of time. So you're going to divide, which means you understand that there are 7 days in a week. So it'd be a times b to the t over 7 times 3. That would be on the bottom of the fraction. Because there's 7 days in a week and it happens every 3 weeks. So it basically happens every 21 days. For each question in a word problem, you need to have these 5 things. So let t equal whatever unit of time, whether it be years, weeks, days, or hours. Those are some examples of time. F of t is equal to the function. So basically you have to say the function, and then y sub 1, y sub 2, or it's going to be x equals depending upon what you're given. Remember, with y sub 1, you want to put in how you would type it into the calculator. So that's how it differs from the function. The function, you can just write it out like y sub 1, let's say it was 5 times 2, and then you raise it to a power, you put the caret to show how you would do it, like 7x over 3. And that's just an example I made up. The window, remember the window x minimum, x maximum, and remember for all these time ones it's 0, and then the y minimum and y maximum. And then the answer. So those are the 5 things that you want to have. All right, hope this helps you, and I will see you guys tomorrow in class to work on the review sheet.